Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to take a screenshot on a MacBook. So first, open the App Store app. Now search for iScreen or just look for screenshot. And the app that I will show you how to install called iScreenShotter Screenshot app. This is a free app with in-app purchases. Click on Get, then hit Install. While this app is downloaded, let's check the capabilities of this app. As you see, this app lets you capture screen, annotate, translate, and OCR. It lets you also to annotate screenshots with shapes, arrows, and also text like this. It is also improved with OCR, more organized formatting. It lets you to translate text in your screenshot. Also pin screenshots on your screen. Manage screenshots and also manage screenshots with ease. Now that the app is downloaded, click on Open. As you see, a little screenshot icon is added to the to this toolbar. Click on it. As you see, you can either click on screenshot. For the first time, you need to give it, I think, open system settings. You need to give it some access. As you see, it was added. Let's retry again. And now open system preferences. Yes, my bad. I should check this box next to iScreenShotter. Use the password. iScreenShotter may not be able to record the content of your screen until it is quit. Quit and reopen. To open it, simply click on I. It was already opened. Let's quit and show you how to open it. Search for it, iShutter, if or screenshot. If you can't locate it on the search, open the Finder, go to Applications, and look for iScreenShotter. Click on it. As you see, it was added here. Click on Screenshot. And now you can either select which window you want to screenshot. Let's say I want to screenshot this just this window. Click on it. And as you see, the screenshot is taken. Or instead of this, let's pick this only this window. Click on it and hit OK. As you see, the screenshot has been copied to the clipboard. Right click or use the right click to download it or to save it. System private window picker and directly access your screen and audio. Allow. Now let's save it in this JPG format, but I will select the download folder. Click on open, then save. And as you see, this screenshot open at login. No, I don't want it to be opened at login. Now let's open the photo I've just screenshotted. And as you see, the borders are well selected using this app. Now let's see how to open, or let's say I am in this browser tab and I want to take a screenshot. Let's say I want to take just this screenshot, or let's take the whole screen. Click on it like this. As you see, those are the things that you can add to your screen. Let's undo. If you can undo one of those annotations by using this undo. You can add an arrow like this. You can add a line. You can pen something like this to hide it. For example, you can make this a little bit bigger. You can edit the color from here. You can mosaic to hide it, to hide some text. You can add text. Check this. Now let's see to text translate. Let's use this translation feature. Do more with your screenshot using Cider AI. Install Cider, but I don't need to translate, so I will keep things simple. Okay, I will pen this. I can add arrows. Let's add this type of arrow. Let's add this line. Let's undo this action. This line here. Okay. Now let's save this. Quick save. Save complete. Now I will find it in the download folder because it was the file I've selected. And this is my screenshot. And this is how to take a screenshot, and of course your screenshots are organized here. And this is how to take a screenshot on a MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.